Hello everyone, welcome to you all, and in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram apps is not working. Here you can see this is my Instagram application, and in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram application is not working. If you open this Instagram application, then it's not working. So how can you solve it? I'm gonna show you that in this video step by step. So don't skip any step and stay watching carefully. So first, what should you do? So first of all, you need to log out your Instagram application, and if you cannot, that's okay. Then you need to go your Google Play Store, and after go to your Google Play Store, then go to search bar and type that Instagram, then type Instagram, and you need to check out it's updated or not. Here you can see my application Instagram is not updated. There have a option update. Here you can see there have a option for update. So you need to update your Instagram. That's must. That's your first option. You need to update. Okay guys, after complete your update, then what should you do? Just go to your phone settings or find out your phone settings. Here you can see this is my phone settings. So you need to open this phone settings, and now you need to find out application or apps option. So I finding now. Here you can see, and finally I find my apps option. There you can see. So just open it, and then you need to go manage apps. There have a option, you can see manage apps. So open it, and now you need to find out Instagram. Here you can see this is Instagram application, and in this display is showing Instagram. So open it, and now what should you do? You can find on the last option clear data option. On the down right side there have a option clear data. So tap it, and there have a option clear cache option. So just tap on clear cache, and now confirm it. That's it. Now what should you do? Just find out permission option. Just scroll down and find out permission. There have a option, you can see permission. So open this permission option, and now what should you do? Just there have a option cross. You need to everything allow, like that. Allow always. You need to make it allow. Everything you need to allow. Multimedia option also allow. After complete it, then you need to let's back, and after that you can open your Instagram application. Here you can see this is your Instagram application, and now here you can see it's already working now. And if you follow my step carefully, I hope your Snapchat must be working. And if your Instagram application must be work, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.